Hey my loves, so today's tutorial is going to be how to correct your wrong foundation shade. So I went on first with the dark shade on my face. I went out by putting on a very light concealer on my chin, my forehead, and the necessary parts you're supposed to put your concealer while applying your makeup. So I did the same for the lighter shade of the foundation. So the secret about this tutorial is that it's opposite shades of foundation. That's what you would use. For the light, you will use a very dark shade of concealer, then for the dark you would use a very light shade of concealer. So for me, at this particular point in time, the dark shade of concealer I used for this light foundation shade was not too dark, so I went off camera to use a more darker shade, which I didn't show you guys. But for the darker shade of foundation, I went in with my lighter shade of concealer, and as you can see, it's actually blending out really well, and this actually really works. So just in case you go to a supermarket or you're trying to get your makeup product and you have the wrong shade of foundation, there's no need to worry, babes, because the lighter shade of concealer or the darker shade of concealer, depends on whichever shade of foundation you get, actually does the magic. So I hope you enjoy watching. Bye.